大家好，我係 ST 梁師傅大家 call me 師傅梁 OK 㗎啦。好，今日我嘅客戶咧 Anthea 咧就會講一下佢喺香港遇到嘅咩問題。Anthea, it's your turn.
So I struggle finding handymen in Hong Kong that can meet all my requirements. I have quite specific needs around my home with my family, from hanging pictures and photographs to hanging hammocks from the ceiling. I've found that I've found handymen where the price has varied wildly, from really expensive to handymen that are really unreliable, and it's really hard to get people to show up when they say they're going to show up. Ken and his team are always really reliable and very reasonable, and he's always able to meet all my needs, and anything specific he comes up with a smile on his face and he's able to do it really, really well. So I'm moving out of my apartment, and Ken and his team have come to help me remove pictures and things that are hanging on the wall, and they're going to fix the holes and prepare the flat ready for me to hand over back to my landlord.
So we are going to start it now.
So Ken, first thing I'd like doing is I'd like these coat hooks removed.
So remove the screw.
Yeah.
And then
remove those. Yeah.
Okay, I will do it.
Next job is I'd like you to remove the hook from the ceiling.
All right.
Fill the hole, plaster it, and paint it to make it look good.
Okay.
Then I'd also like you to remove the picture shelf. Again, remove the screws, fill the holes, and make
also
them good.
painting, yeah.
Yeah. And then my shoe cabinet, which is attached to the wall, that needs to come off. And the mirror as well, and the holes need to be fixed.
Okay.
And then I have one more job through here. I need my son's toy cupboard doors fixed because
the door
they
is
have come
here,
off
yeah.
the hinges. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I need new brackets.
So this one come back. Put it back.
Yep.
Okay, I will fix it for you too.
Thank you so much.
The 螺絲咧 the screw 咧 is easy to remove. 我哋平時有3個方法去令到佢變咗冇嘅。第一個方法啦，就係打入啲啦。如果打唔到入去咧，咁通常咧，我哋會用第二個方法嘅，用把戒刀個尖嘴。咁咧就 cut 咗佢嘅，咁樣咧去整咗佢嘅，因為咧我哋要呢種平咗咧，先至可以揾到啲嘢。如果掹到咧就掹啦，掹唔到咧即係好似電線咁啫。掹唔到嘅話咧，我哋都係真係揾咗佢嘅。So now everybody see this. You will see the hole a little bit deep in. So use this one, the plastering for that. Let it dry like a couple hours, like 3 hours. Maybe too deep. You will do it like twice, not one, or maybe one more time. 好，嗱呢啲咧，如果突出嚟嘅拉爆咧，我哋就比較麻煩啲。好，我哋呢個就比較難少少啦。好，咁啊應該可以甩到出嚟啦。3次啦。Okay, if you want to fix the cabinet or the wardrobe, so you need to take one of the hinge to the shop. Ask them to give you the exactly the same because different angle, different size make you difference. You cannot replace it. Okay, we do it. Alright, it's done. You can see. Anthea, so I do the first step for the plastering and remove the hold, but you can check it out now.
Sure. It looks great, but I see you're going to need to come back to finish it, right?
Yeah, we need to come back because this cannot fix it in one time, right? Go check another things.
Sure. Oh, great! You fixed the cupboards.
Yeah, the hinges is already finished.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
So anything you want to say to my audiences? Yeah.
Yeah, I'd like to say that Ken and his team are super reliable, very reasonably priced. If you're looking for someone who can come and do any of your home decorating needs, I would definitely recommend Ken and his team.
Any tips for the people who want to move out or reinstate to the landlord? Any tips for them?
Plan in advance and have a reliable team come to help you because it always takes a little bit longer than you think it will.
Yeah, thank you, Anthea.
Thank you.
記得 CLS 我哋啦，拜拜。